chimilioni chimisane mona ikumina kyandago ika chimilioni chimisane mona merongebere ni go chibolete echiwano chabati chiko bwatu kwaso mwaka bwechiribubere na merongebere nebere aso konyara kolige chibando nobosi aiga sense ya Kenya babunge bono ni go baganiriyo murai bwense William Samoei Ruto ane kibuna chibese chinkonyara chire gotukwa nabo igo bali babetago kuruma chibese kyo chinyara ko bachi ko irani go mwanchu muligeria hayunga togo chikomolekera kero chiaragire Isano na Ibere chiabono basoli tukeligaria aramise Stariki ya merongebere na ibere mutinyo gatanu na limu mwaka bwechiribubere na merongebere 4-3 na mange abereka okolekana ayubonongo chukumanya senchira yobenge Chinsa chigabono chebono mo basogendra goto bwati agwetera nsemeri ya mtandao ensemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital na bwiga nsemeri ya YouTube na bokotona una Ndizi TV News saranso iko mwanchu muliono ngomanya senchira yobenge holito kubwatera nere gwetera sumuno bwimanyira liga kroko Joshua Auta elitera ninchen kroko Vincent Onyancha. Mwanchumu ligelia bono ige karoni go kagendreta se bunge ya Seane County ya Kisii se County Assembly ase Chinsa chiga ekero bagendrete kumulekera igoro ye budget ya nechibesira chigutume kwa soko nyarago kinie county asoko nyarago ikerani ya magendra wa MCN go baikirana sege karo kiri tukulia lero elibanya banyarago kwanera na kichigwodi chigo chiwe kinia ase county ya Kisii maiga ye budget go soma matuka make abereka go eta nechi county ko bekoro chibese chiabo aba MCN bono ni go kuroberia na gotebana kibana nyare gokinia serikali ya county ya Kisii tigango twende masemu wika ase bunge anane ye county yibonere gatigati umuchobo songo twigona lyagendrete ase Chinsa chige masemu wika ase county assembly ime ye county ya Kisii
is be given to projects which have already honorable speaker been contracted and some of them have been executed. I want to plead with this government, honorable speaker, that we take priority to the matters of pending bills. The moment we don't handle the matters of pending bills time, Honorable Speaker, that brings a problem in the forward budget. It's going to be even more difficult to execute the work-based budgeting if the matter of the pending bills is not timely held. I hope the Executive has listened to what honorable members have said. We have said it even in formal forums, and that execution is important. Honorable Speaker, I want to rest my presentation here and support the chairman's report. Thank you.
Honorable Chairman of Karen.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. First of all, Honorable Speaker, I want to thank the honorable members for finding it wise.
Na go tigara na yuwono mwancho muligerego ikase county ya Nyamira boigo ni gaba MCA kurwase county ya Nyamira bakagerego chikuru roboti rwabo emarogoba yabono igoro yorobebe ruwe semelia ya keroka urubono raganda takole toko ngusana no konegati ya county ya Kisii ni county ya Nyamira chire ya keroka ni go ya retiri berari tinde kerogati ya bwatani na boigo nensemo ya Nyamira tigara takoti yabuna keroka ni gabwenete koba ase county ya Nyamira ne kerokiri county ya Kisii boigo tigara takoti yabuna nsemo ya keroka ni gebwenete koba ase county ya Kisii ani gago chiri tukirimo lyoka maiga yomo governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati gote babuna ni gensemo ya keroka eliye tigara takoba ase county ya Kisii kolengana buna oroberwa betero gwatu era tigara koba senseme yo asarati boiganya retiga kurengana eli tukuligoro na komochi county ya Nyamira ngasogote yabuna ni go berwa gotumeka ebango berwa gusangirire kurwa secire ya keroka asenchere tabwende tinyira boiga matuka makabere kago etani gekyombekirigete netamangana yechimbebe kyabake gotarase county yo anana senseme ya keroka na konyara koligererio robeboru na gotebuna ambacho kurwo oroboti rwabo nabo umuliki tokurwase county ya Nyamira Jobu Maangi ni gobono ale masemo kurwase county ya Nyamira oitoko chikosanganera atomanyie na ari yagendrete ane kurwase senseme Jobu kurwase county ya Nyamira onye kongiwete anda kinabo tumanyinke ke toganyete aso margoba yabono akurwasa magacha manene ye county ya Nyamira Job onye kongiwete tomanyango Biamono kuruase studio ni gotonyora eyemo kuruase amagacho ebunge ye county ya Nyamira asigika kende gyonsi ni gotuganyete aba MCA baba kurua chinkwana bene igoro yo ngana yabedege koreta obotantanu obonene igoro yo rubebe egatie county ya Nyamira na Kisii anene mono ensemo ya keroka inyoranga wiki ya eta ni gomunachi ekina kama umugo abagagotalera ensemeyo bali amona abasaveya naboigo abobisa korwase ekyombe kya IEBC ekyombe gekogayana anene mono amangana igoro ye obo chimbebe nobochori aseboigo babete bakubeka chimaki chikorokia chinsemo chire ensemo ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira boigo inyoranga litikoligoro nigo mo governor gwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati abetega korwa chinkwana chinkongu igoro ye county ya Nyamira ase aragete county Nyamira ebiara ntoka niko manyanga ninki aba MCA be county ya Nyamira barabe bagokwanera igoro yenganeye anene mononki bose barabe bakomoiraneria omugavana bwe county ya Kisii nagwikira bono ningetambukiro kibarachi koira anene mono erinde koleta lichibu igoro yengane yabere koleta libere linene lya kisiasa anene mono igoro yorobebegatie county ya Nyamira na Kisii nabo igo maiga yo kuire ekina ase koti no munachi ekina gotalere nsemeyo bale amo nekyombe kya IEBC n'abasaveya n'abantu bakugayana igoro yamangana yamaremo ngetambukiro ki barabe bakoira ntobe tukubamanyi amangana yo onsi asoboime igento nali kubasabankeli gatogenda gotengera TV and Ndizi TV na mono abari cyari tukolya rero asemura bimukumanyigwa oboime ase igoro yenganeye yabere kwa saribera linene ase ensemo ya county Nyamira ne county ya Kisii asama letankuru kujob maangi tiangira niri bagali go chase studio Biamono mulikeito job mangi kurwase county ya Nyamira na agendere gotobwatilera abakakorekana boigo mwanchu muri gonto jigo kumanyia bune biro bigendrete gosuka bosia se Chinsa chinde chemesa yamangana Amayia gotigana yobono mwanchu muri abwatani bechisemya kurwaze wizare gisemini go bagendrete no moyegobo aso bagani yo safari park me mucho Nairobi konyara gokwana chinchira kiranyara gokonya bana konyara wekinia na sensemelia ya amasomo chinga kichi abwatani auni go batebiruna enenchire mu yokonyara koruobo semya kia saboro kigwa elikonyara wekinia na konyara koligire barachi go korekerekere bagendete konyara chisemi chiabo kuwatara na ababwatani obono bale asensemi chisemi niko batebire bune wizare chisemi ne chikoene kibuna abana nkomanya bale biago byawe kerwangene chisemi anekero bagendete wekinia somurobiryo OCBC.
This conference comes at a time when education systems in East Africa are looking to equip learners with 21st century skills that will allow them to thrive and succeed in their future. So as the conference continues, we look forward to learn and for policymakers to learn how do they ensure that the system is well equipped to be able to build these skills within their learners. As CBC is slowly being rolled out, one of the key things that is within the competency-based curriculum is life skills. And the life skills that this team in East Africa has been able to go into the ground and measure are some of the skills within the CBC curriculum.
Asomo yugo yogendrete nsemo ya safari park ime mu Nairobi ni go muwaziri wechi semya zekerima chogwa kero chwekira nasomo jegabuli tukolya rero nabokolengana abwatani bechi seme kurwa sense mejo ni gobate birebuna emerobili babegete yo konyara gosangirire na kuro robot bene igoro ye enchera CBC gendrete go ikirani gwa chinsemo akolengana abwatani abuni gobate birebuna babere bagwetana chinsemo aona konyora robot igoro ya CBC asabate biruna omoyo murobili yo mo yabo chisemi CBC no chikogendera gosirone kali elikonyara koene kibuna ali atakire ngo ikirani wale asegeka aniga go chamatuka makema yokwe murunga nikobo kurwase achiskuru asogote abuna borokia bali batuma chiskuru asokonyarweke no murobelio CBC nigo bara abakemono ana sensemelia junior secondary no naboni gekyombe osebyombe byatebira mbachiko bwata na serikali kone kibuna umurobelio yo moyewe chisemi CBC nkonyara rego ikirana bune serikali yabeire gekuyorobelia.
So even as we roll out CBC, and life skills are one of the key competencies that they look to instill in our learners. this team has been able to go out into the ground, go into our communities to be able to learn how do we then evaluate whether what is happening in school, those skills that young people are actually getting them in our homes. Now that's it. That's a fascinating thing about the evaluation that was done. It was done in rural areas, it was done in urban areas, and it was done in a sample size that was incorporating all students. So at that juncture, the report that will be launched will be able to just showcase to the region, like, this is where we stand in terms of the competencies that we are looking to.
Bono ni ego chikobegetire kenego chia saba Kenya go chakire tarike mu mutinyo gotana na kabiro mwako yega yemaiga yaba bunge gotwarege karege kongwa buli tukolegora soko musana na kwa negatigwe eliko nyarago etia okomenta kwebango ya mabuta nigo bone bange ya mentire kurwa Isano isato Asemia go ikai 15 nemo Asemia eyumarachi wakanirwa sensemeria ya mabuta ekero keribono go chakiro mutinyo gocha ligo ya mabuta nigo ligo chia kogenda gesarama iga yebange yo komentwa nigo chinga kechia ababunge kurwa somo buli bazimio wane Kenya barete saga se bunga sokonyara kwamereria okomenta kwebangeyo ase kolende ababunge miye yememeronge tane tato na bana 184 abeta wake kura yogo eti okomenta kwebangeyo kuro Isano isato Asemia wike 15 nemo Asemia iga abamangana alenga sebunge
border and border sector requires fuel. That is just one.
Our people are suffering, and production, especially in our rural areas, is going to go to zero if we add tax on fuel. I therefore would want to say it very clearly here that if we want to revamp the economy of this country, adding tax on fuel is not the solution.
Ulisikia wapi? Nyinyi ndio mliosema Kenya haina pesa. Kenya iko broke. Nyinyi mwenda kuongeza mafuta, bei ya mafuta mara 100%. Hawa mama mboga ambao wanaenda sokoni wataenda na mafuta ya gari gani waweze kujikimu? Hawa bodaboda mlikuwa mnawazungumzia wataweza kufanya kazi zao vipi? Serikali msituchezee.
It is taxpayers' money that has been paying the remaining 8%, and that is a fact.
It is indeed true that a rise in VAT by 8% will occasion a rise in fuel prices, Honorable Speaker. The chair has enumerated the railway development levy that has gone down. IDF has gone down. And those are taxes and levies on fuel, just as President William Ruto promised.
As many as are of that opinion say aye. As many as are of a counter opinion say nay.
na kira yubo igaga ndretini ngo muri bwazimio babere bago tuguterera mangana rengete finance bill na gote yabuna igira mamocha manego chia saba Kenya kero baranya recommend rwane kerengo kirige Isano Asemia nigo baganirie serikali ya Kenya kwanza kuliga chinchirira nyare gwikirania na kurobo korri bweno gwikirania magendra igasense ya Kenya libagaliyo commentera abakenya muzigo murite atebire buna ogendrete ko batakuna na kubali mabera ndonsi atayo omo bwazimio litukuliga robo igone obachinga gichinko ngwase bunga so kunyara kwa mirengane yo asabagane ngani nyare kuligerero boya na gutuguterwale.
Yule mwalimu ambaye yuko Mombasa, nyumba za jengwa Nairobi, atahama vipi Mombasa wakati amejiestablish kule Mombasa aje akae Nairobi? Huu ni wizi wa dhahiri. Waheshimiwa, mimi nataka niwaelezee, tupanue akili zetu.
Even if we pass this, honorable members, the court will take it and say it is not a function for the national government. I want to urge the committee to drop this for unconstitutionality and purely a flawed way of thinking that you can solve housing in this country by this kind of approach.
Who has died in the village for lack of a house? I can tell you the majority of the people who have died in the villages have died because of hunger, lack of food.
The reason why we have no food, why we are food insecure in this country today, is because millions of acres of land in Kiambu County, Nakuru, in Karachuonyo constituency, in Narok, all over the country, where people are farming, we have disintegrated all that land to build slums.
Okobo w'ekibara kimbenga tiye bintu birere okobo kwebasa kanona komente kanana se county ya Mombasa kolengana Burundi kigali kurase county ya Mombasa nigo ba mochiri mu waziri oteneta mangana yobo sombe kipchumba muruko manasaba korokoro bekano gotindiri tokolia lero nagote babuna nigo kibara kire kimbase nseme yege nto batebirekerere kigali kinyinge konyara go twara soko ikirani amangana lengeteme basekano kolengana abantere babakonde kigali kiri kikondo sabari kintambe ne kurwa iga Kenya gochesinzi kisiko ne Buganda na Tanzania nigo bana abantere babate birebuna nigo bagendere gwetera amakonko bwatekana buna abanyere kigali kibono nigo bakubalika abantere ba korwa kinze kisikuri bagaliyo koruri bagabene gochaga iga asa abantere babense ya Kenya nigo kinga kibono baganiyo kubwata na koboro na abantere bakoroika sense ya Kenya konyara ko igwali bagaliya bene eliko nyara goikerania obonchereriyo buri baga abantere bakurusu gwa kinze kisiko nabo nigo kinga abantere obe kigali kikoire mezigo yense ya Kenya musesiko yense ya Kenya abate birebuna okubwata na kororo no nigo koreirere okobororo gwa osogokya kumibasakano asaba igo bate birebuna tari baroba gukera nimibasakano kolende no koba ogwekibara kimbe nabo nigo bagane serikali kuligirene keranya ariko basira eliko nyara goikerania obosombi bwabo bwerituko gochi aserinde kinga kichiko kwana kurwase county ya Mombasa nigo bate birebuna mbali gochigwantirana no kugania gwekyombekeligen gergereti amangane kibara NTSA asekyombeke NTSA kyabage koboria abantere bakoene kinankwira na bali skuru na konyoro oboigeri bogia asebate birebuna mbali gochikobwate lichikeria asebagane gotwara chinkwana elikonyara koronge na kibaranyara go Kenya amangana rengeteme basokano aiga sense ya Kenya ana sense meria ya Mombasa.
Istoshe wengi wao sasa wamerudia kuajiri wageni. Wageni ni wengi kwa sababu hivi tunavyoongea hii sekta sasa 80% na niyo 65% ni wageni ambao wanafanya kazi ikiwa Wakenya wenyewe hawana kazi. Vile vile kuna hili swala la NTSA ambao wanasema kwamba sisi turudi tukaretest after 3 years. Hili sisi tunalipinga, tena tunalipinga kwa kinywa kipana. Ongezeko la ajali barabarani suluhu yake sio madereva warudi tena kufanya mtihani. Iko suluhu ambao wao wanaweza kutafuta ambayo inahusisha kila mmoja.
Swala la barabara mbovu ndio chanzo cha ajali nchini. Kwa sababu ukilinganisha na miaka iliyopita, idadi ya magari ambayo yalikuwa Kenya yalikuwa kidogo mno. Lakini sasa yameongezeka maradufu na barabara ni ile ile. Sasa wakaongelea mambo ya ajali, wanaongelea juu ambao hawajui, hawataki kuja huku chini waulize wahusika ambao wako ground ni nini ambayo inasababisha ajali zaidi. Hiyo ndio kitu ambayo wanakosea mahali pakubwa. Wanaamuka na mambo ya NTSA. NTSA hawezi akajua barabara yote vile ambayo ilivyo, hawezi kujua. Waziri aloingia juzi, hata juzi tumekuwa naye kule Malaba, tumekuwa naye na tumemwelezea ile kitu. Kama unataka kujua kweli habari za barabara, akuje kwa stakeholder, wale stakeholders wako chini ndio watajua ni nini ambacho kinasababisha ajali.
Wanchu muligere bono hayungati ya nawengo kwaliganiria asumu gasobo na senchire jo winga yo mananda mange nogendre kanyara bunarabe kawate kachikoro gachinse 13 aseri tukeli gali ya lero mbia muna sogo choro gotengera Ndizi TV mesi ya mangana ma Isano na Ibere chebono mwabasogendera gotobwate buna botambe wetene semeli mtendeo seme ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na wagensemeli ya YouTube na bogotana buna Ndizi TV News rotore kobwatera nere gotera somo na wimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta ekarokeri Abigail Nyanchama aina kiuna chiwi chamu niligicha wikira senchira yobo ikirano tomera nenga kenda SMS ya mangana ma yeritirani nchenkro Vincent Onyancha.